Hello my friends and welcome to Volшebnik Scale Modeling Studio. Today we have review on items that greatly help to organize your work. It is Gunze product holder from ZEP system. This brand is quite new on the market and officially is distributed by AK Interactive. Every item has its own unique code, so it's easy to search for. On the product holder we can see the letter G, which means it is designed for the Gunze products. ZEP system has another holder designed for Tamiya products with letter T inside. By my surprise, Tamiya and Gunze jars has small difference in size, and you can see that Gunze jars will not fit into Tamiya holder. But Tamiya glue can fit into Gunze holder. Also, there will be small gap and glue will shake, which is not good. That is why ZEP system designed holder one for each brand, Gunze and Tamiya. We can see how tight is the fit for Mr. Cement products. Luckily, Gunze use jars of the same size for other products. Mr. Retarder and Mr. Mark Fit Setter also have tight fit in the holder. Mr. Cement S is the last Gunze product I have on hands and it fits ZEP holder perfectly. Also, I recommend to use ZEP holders in pairs to increase steadiness. The main purpose of ZEP holders is to keep jars from overturning and spilling off on the table or to be more dramatic on the model. It is very handy when you need to have your jar with glue close to you and you need to keep your jar open while working. You are on higher risk to spill off when jar is too close to your hands. So in this scenario, ZEP holder is especially handy and I definitely recommend it. So here we have complete set of Gunze products I have and all of those fit into holder tightly as it should. That's all for now, thanks for watching and see you next time.